This one is for Jackie, my jack-o'-lantern.
Oh, try it again.
Okay.
You had it just a minute ago.
For Jackie.
Jackie. All my turns are for Jackie.
Okay.
Nice.
So, Effie. Oh! Let's do one for me. Let's just try one.
No, do two again.
Two.
You did two a minute ago.
Yeah, and I got it.
You did.
First, let's see Brian do non-quarter.
Brian can't. Why is your shirt buttoned up so high?
Because I'm going gangster.
Let me practice.
That's your turn. Do two.
Oh, you got one.
Look at that.
Look at there. It's heads. No, it's tails.
Oh my God, it's a train. Oh, what's that?
Come on, dude, do it.
You're losing focus. Oh. Jackie.
All my turns are for Jackie.
Yes!
Nice, baby. Nice.
Can I have 5 too? Yes.
Do it again.